coming back a little bit. 4,000 win calls being bought. 4,000 win calls being bought. 75s. I'm going to get 20 more at 38. Oh, they could have got, I couldn't, they wouldn't give them to me at 38. Now they're at 40. Futures coming back here a little bit. The entry is 40. I'm surprised these have gone down in value. Now they're going up. Stock's going up, but these are not. Oh, it's going to be 38 again. You have one chance. Let me have them at 38. Oh, they're 38. All right, I got a little bit bigger position than I had before. They're at 38. You can get them at 38 right now. So it's a 6 out of 10 on one signal. It's a personal portfolio trade. And I like the size of the order. This controls 350,000 shares of stock. And Win has only traded today 290,000 shares. So I do like the size of the order here, guys. I'm going to go 25 bid, just in case the stock goes lower. You can get them at 38 right now. 4,000 of these have traded here. The official signal is at 40, though. I don't know why the stock's not moving. 290,000 shares trade today. That's wild. All right, so let's go through all the portfolios today. The portfolios today. 36.37. I don't know. They keep walking these down. It's weird. All right, so the portfolios today. Start with my P&L versus S&P. My P&L is, this is a mark. I think I'm probably down about, here's a mark too. Once, it's hard to say. I think what's going on in EEM? I'm short EEM. I'm probably down like 140 bucks. It's kind of, my P&L is weird. I did make money yesterday. Futures down 8, and I'm down 140 bucks roughly. Thinkorswim just gives you weird marks every day. It's kind of hard to figure out what they're actually doing. So for the week, up about 580. So pretty flat. Last week I had a huge week in Chewy and in EQT. EQT and Chewy. Win's going lower, 35.36. I'm quarter bid for some under the market. Pfizer I wouldn't touch. It just trades a lot of stock in the day. Personal portfolio trades. We have UEC still on. UUUU still on. CLSK still on. And then we have a new position in Win. So CLSK, 4 cents, 5 cents. Win, 35.36. We're in at 40 on those. So Win is a new position in Win. RSI, Relative Strength Index, nothing today. BAX, which hit yesterday. So hitting yesterday, BAX. BAX was a winner from yesterday. Where did my mouse go? So BAX was a winner from yesterday in RSI. Personal portfolio went on. Alpha Shark. We have Riot still on. That trade is a small loser, I think. Let me see where these are. Riot, they're 14. No, these are these. 14.15. So that's a loser in Alpha Shark. CSTM will go to 0 this week. UEC is still on. Alpha Shark Plus. UUU still on. NEP is still on. Pinterest is still on. And then Riot still on. Superior Options. Unity will go to 0. We can make it 0 now if we wanted to. Worthless. Futures are rallying back, but not really anything crazy. Win is not rallying back. COF's not rallying back. Okay, next, Superior Option Plus. Nothing on in there. Weekly ATM Money Machine. Mara 16-15 put spread is still on. We don't have to worry about that until more win calls being bought, guys. They just bought more win calls. They pasted another 1,000 win calls, guys. Another 1,000 trade here and win. I'm buying 20 more. They're up to 5,700. They're buying more, guys. They just bought more of them, guys. Win. They're buying these like crazy. The 75s and win, guys. 75s and win. They're just buying more of them. They're up to 5,800 of these. Just pasted more of these. Win 75s, guys. More being bought. Stock has traded 300,000 shares. That's wild. Vin Casinos. They're up to 6,000 these now. Come on. Daddy needs a new pair of shoes. So Win Casinos are buying more of them, guys. Do they know something? 6,000 trade here, guys. 6,000 win calls trade here total. I was a 6 out of 10 on one signal, so the sample size is pretty small. But, you know, I did take it for personal portfolio. Traded 300,000 shares. That's just wild. I like the fact that they're buying more of them. They're 39.40 now. 40.42. 40.44. Come on, baby. AK needs a new pair of shoes. All right, so moving right along. Weekly ATM money machine. Mara. We have a signal Mara. We don't have to worry about that to 8:30. 10 out of 10. Oh, there she goes. Just walking down the street. 10 out of 10. We have COF. Maybe those are up to 2. It's a portfolio of 3 winners and 2 losers. It just started, though, and the portfolio is up year to date. So once again, every portfolio we run here at Alpha Shark is up year to date. So just kind of depends on what kind of trader you want. Like I said, we're working on a lot of cool things on the back end. You know, maybe a private placement for structured notes, maybe a insane mastermind where you get to meet and greet AK live, watch them trade live. Oh, win! Oh my God, they're buying more of them. 47.49, 49.50. Do I hear 49.50? I have some at 57. I have some at 65. Win Casinos. Come on, Daddy needs a new pair of shoes. Look at them, these things go, guys. Wow. $47.49. I have target at 55. I'm going to raise that target up to 60. It's a 40 delta, guys, and it has a nice ATR here. 40 delta and a nice ATR. 40 delta and a nice ATR here, and win. Win Casinos. Stocking it up to 75.78 based on that. 75.78. Just get back to Ansha on the day. I'm fine with that too. COF was a 10 out of 10 trade, so now it is. I actually have a pretty big position. I have 60 contracts. I don't know if you consider that big. I have target 60, 65, 75, and then I just have 2 runners. You know, if I can sell one at like $2 and I'll sell one at like $4, just to say I took it from 40 cents to $3. So the first target for me is 60. Oh, P&L ripping here. Here we go. So those are all the portfolios, guys. We set that out for personal portfolio at 40. More of them trade here. Riot bid, Mara bid. I just want the stock to go up. AK is having a big day now. I just need stock to pop like 50 cents here. $7,400 win calls trade here. And the first order is great, right? We see that order from Moonshot Scanner. That's great. You know, we want that big order. And then they came in and they bought more, and they bought more, and they bought more. The stock is unchanged, and these things are up from 37 to 48. So the implied volatility is exploding here in Win. They buy calls, they buy implied volatility. So look at this in Win, guys. They started paying 36 cents for these. Now they're 48, and the stock has not moved at all. So that implied volatility just exploded. $7,500. COF, as I talk about Win, COF starting to slowly creep higher. 2 to 215. These should be worth a little bit more than that. 46.48. Stock's 10 cents wide. And look at what we're saying. We're looking for big traders. We're not looking for retail traders, right? 3,400 calls can trade 340,000 shares of stock. That's equivalent of how much stock has traded today. CLSK up on the day. Riot. I paid 14 for some of those. XLE puts trading here. I'm not going to take these. NCLH, I would be getting. I tried to buy NCLH. I did not get filled. Technically, Win is, I guess, my biggest position right now. I don't know why the stock's not ripping to the upside. Come on, Ryan, go up in the day. You know you want to go up on the day. 1 minute to go for this, then we'll take about a 5-minute break. And then AK will take you through the second session of the day. COF have not taken a profit target out yet. My meditation music is getting loud here. All right, guys, that is it for me for about 5 minutes. So let me just get my ducks in a row. I'll take you guys to the next one today.